Hello everyone, this is Kathy with Nana's Farmhouse. Wanted to let you know that we have brought in our sleigh for the Christmas open house. It's all decorated for the store with many beautiful things. We are having our Christmas open house the very first weekend in November. That's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We are going to be having some giveaways. We're going to have lots of fun. We're going to have treats. We look forward to seeing all of our wonderful customers that we love so much. If you have any questions about this event, you can always reach out to us at 314-846-6262, or you can email us at info@nanasfarmhouse.com. We have so many, like I said, so many beautiful things to show you this season that we have brought in. We can't wait to see you, and we hope you can come in and enjoy the fun. Thank you so much.